Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a Natalie and Tara bonus episode. And if you notice, I am by myself today. No Natalie, it's all me. I get to do all the talking, doing all the jokes, there's no interruptions, just me. Okay, it's kind of lonely. Anyways, we thought it'd be really fun to show you behind the scenes of the making of our Opal play button that I made recently to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers. If you want to make a play button of your very own, I've got links below to the products that I used, as well as any information I was unable to put in the video for whatever editing reason. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me below in the comment box. I made so many different failed play buttons that I probably have a good answer for you. Let's just get into it. I've already filmed so many different versions of this intro by myself that I'm over it. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of this channel and commenting and subscribing. It really means a lot to us. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Go check out our other videos. We have a ton of fun adventures that we've gone on over the last year and a half of this channel, and it's only gonna get better. I'm Tara, there's no Natalie, and this was a Natalie and Tara bonus episode. This is so much harder without Natalie. Don't tell her.